You own a car lot as well, George?
I did. I did for a few years. In fact, that was a good business. Tougher, but my partner got sick with cancer. So that being said, we had to release the car lot. But I will tell you, it's to each their own. It was fun, but I did like getting back in retail in the big market and stuff.
So what? So you like it? So you like selling retail over than have your own lot?
I did. Different time, probably a different situation. I'd probably do it again.
Okay.
It's good. You still got to work. You still got to buy your cars right. You still got to
Was
get.
your lot here in Oklahoma?
Yeah, over on 29th Street.
29th.
Yeah.
There's so many car lots on 29th Street.
Oh yeah, it was over on 29th and Bryant. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, right across the street from Puckett's.
Right across the street. Okay. I know
Yeah,
exactly
yeah,
where you.
It was good to me. Spent a lot of good years doing that.
Yeah. So how long have you been in the car business overall then? Since you owned the car lot for a couple
Probably
of years?
close to 40.
40 years.
It's the only thing I've ever done, buddy.
That's the only
It's been
thing.
blessed. Don't get me wrong.
Been blessed.
But yeah, I worked a lot of hours.
So what advice would you give somebody that's thinking about entering the car business?
Two things: prepare them that got to make hay when the sun is shining. Got to work a lot of hours. You can benefit from it, but if they're married, they got to have a strong wife because you're committed to this job. If you want to be successful, you got to put in the time.
Oh yeah.
Write your own ticket. I choose not to be in management now, of course. I like doing my thing, working.
Yeah, if you're in management, you really ain't got no time
No,
off.
sir. This way I can work 8 to 5, 8 to 6, going about my business. That's what I do. I still sell 20 cars a month. So.
Yeah, I taught you very well. George.
Yes, you did.
I'm just letting you know. I learned a lot from George. I mean, George, taught me a lot. Even though y'all didn't like us new car guys coming
I
over here.
understand, but we kind of took you under our wing.
Yeah, I appreciate it. I mean, I learned a lot, so it's helping me now when I sell cars, to people. I try to, like I tell people when I sell them cars now, I mean, the price of these cars is so expensive now. It's really not. I'm not really making too much money selling.
Market it is because if you figure everything out, you're not per copy. It's not what it used to be.
No.
That's okay. It's a customer's market now, and that's why you probably got to sell more volume than anything.
Yeah.
To average it out, people don't realize you got overhead, you got utility bills.
You got a girlfriend, you got kids, you got to rent the house.
Yeah. It costs money, buddy.
It costs money. Especially girls. Girls are expensive.
Oh, yeah.
They're expensive.
I got one, my daughter, she was in Miss Oklahoma and everything. They're very expensive. They cost money.
Yeah, they always, every time you go to the store, they want this and that and this and that,
Oh, yeah.
It's easier if I had a son, it'd be easier to tell them no, but it's like,
That's your babies. That's daddy's girls. You can't, buddy.
They look at you and then it's like.
They give you that look, it's over.
Yeah. It's over with.
That's the way it is.
I ain't been doing much, just out here, was talking to Taylor over there, he was telling me, how you liking it over there at Dodge. I was like, how you like Dodge compared to Toyota, so he seems to like it pretty
good. Good for him. He's a good young man. He works hard too, buddy.
Oh yeah, he'll be a general manager.
Absolutely.
General manager somewhere.
I told him this. I said, Taylor, if you make the decision to stay in this business, within 10 years you'll be running a store. As long as you communicate with your wife and prepare her for the long run. You know what I mean? This ain't it ain't a sprint. It's a marathon.
Yeah, that's why.
You go through the sprint, and then you get to marathon, then you can look up and say, honey, look what we got now.
Yeah.
Hard work, man. You can't teach hard work. You either got it or you don't. Excuse me.
That's why one thing I'm glad about, I had me and my girlfriend been in a while so long, so she already know, I've been a part of the business, so she knows the hours that I have to
Absolutely.
put. So if you have to get somebody new or something like that, they won't never understand the hours that you have to put in there.
But you have to, bud. But think about this. Tell me what out there that you don't have to put hours in to make money. Pro athletes put their work in. Doctors, anybody. excuse me, unless you're just a silver spoon kid, and I'm not, you're not, so you gotta hump up, get out there and get it, bud.
And like what I was saying, like I said, it's a lot of hours and stuff like that, but it's not like, it's one of those jobs where like, you know, you can literally just walk in off the street and, you know, you can make a lot of money. You know, it's it's one of those business, like when they say no experience needed, it's one of those.
That's true. You just got to be able to get out there and get in front of people.
Yeah, and not be scared to get in front of people.
No, you can't, buddy. You can't.
You ain't gonna sell everybody a car. But,
no,
you know.
But on a percentage, it's just like shooting a basketball. The more you shoot, the more you're supposed to make. Ain't no different than helping the customer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's always good, you know, especially being here at Toyota, you know, you're always going to have people buying new Toyotas, trading in, so you're always going to have...
We got an unbelievable product, too.
Yeah.
I will say this, I'm mad I haven't sold this Toyota product the whole time. I was blessed at the Ford and Chevrolet stores, don't get me wrong. But I'm amazed how loyal the Toyota customers are.
Oh, yeah.
Pretty wild.
That's me. I'm always loyal to Toyota. Like, you know, it's like if I'm going to look for a new car, it's going to be a Toyota.
You still have your Toyota?
Yeah.
Good. How many miles on it?
I hadn't even broken 100,000 yet.
Okay, there you go. It's got 300 more thousand to go then.
Yeah, it's probably got 900,000 more to go on the Toyota.
You know, it's funny you say that. I've got an '05 Tacoma. Tundra, I'm sorry, the older body style. It's got 246. My 2002 Tacoma has got 220, and my 09 Camry's got 211. And
running with no problems.
Oh no, I'd take one tomorrow to California.
Exactly.
Absolutely.
That's why, like, when you're selling it, like, they speak for themselves.
I tell customers when they ask me about a Toyota product, I let them know I sold Fords for 23 years. I bled Ford Blue. Unbelievable product. When I got here, I kept seeing these Toyotas with all these miles still bringing retail, and I just thought, wow. So I went back in the back. We had a little Asian guy that worked for Toyota for 34 years as a certified, you know, D1 big time mechanic. I asked him, I said, let me ask you a question. Because I believe in referrals, and I believe that's how we make our money. What makes this Toyota so good? You know exact words he told me?
What?
The engineers got the compression down to an art. You ever see one leak oil? You really don't if you think about it. Or use oil, and they're just like a little Sony or whatever it is, little soldier sheet. And it's so true. And you tell them that, and just tell them, say, look, you'll buy another Toyota, and on a high percentage, they come back and buy it.
Yeah.
Product speaks for itself.
Yeah, you really never hear about no Toyota like leaking and burning, and like, you know, unless they just run them without even taking any care of them.
Oh, absolutely. That old saying, pay now or pay later, it's true. You pay now. They got unbelievable resale value, but it's an unbelievable product. And for your bang for your buck, you're going to get a lot out of it. Yeah, absolutely.
George, I appreciate talking to you.
You're welcome, brother.
You know,
nice talking to you. I wish you nothing but good luck.
Let me go holler.